I was more aware of what's happening around me. Structural and product thinking is improved. I'm getting that eagle view of the product, what I always wanted. Hi, I'm Amar. I've done my engineering in information science and engineering from MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology. I carry 7 years of experience and I'm currently working with Cisco as a product manager and innovating Cisco wireless products. In fact, I own a YouTube channel too with a name Dancing Avengers. I also write and share posts about product management on Instagram with a handle named Product Guy 8. So do follow me there. I like to motivate it and believe in myself always. So started one Facebook page also during my college days, which named as Stay Motivated and Be Happy. I enjoy working with customers to understand their pain points and figure out how to solve them. I often enjoy to understand their business needs, problems, gaps, and see how we could solve them using our products. I would take that things that I learned from the calls and work into translating them into the requirements from our engineering. I'm eager to continue this journey as a PM and being the voice of customer for my team at Cisco. Why IPL? Easy on pocket as compared to other premier institutes. It has offline exposure of classroom. It has good mix and match of theory and experimentation of product labs. It has one-on-one faculty interaction which attracts like lot of problem solvings and needs of students. I was more aware of what's happening around me. Structural and product thinking is improved. I'm getting that eagle view of the product, what I always wanted. I was having the little knowledge of module thinking and how do we go about it. But after joining the IPL, I got that eagle view and structural and product thinking of the overall product of Cisco. Leadership is an evolution. At times you will have work hard at it and sometimes you will have to take things easy. Growth, develop, change is the process of success. I aspire to care more about product I build and people associated with it, that is stakeholders. I aspire to give a blazing path so that others can follow the overall process. I suggest refine your tasks because today's tasks are your future achievements. Go and understand your ambitions. Gather insights regularly on what you build on regular basis. Be more aware of surroundings, take advantage of opportunities, study, learn whatever comes your way, and go and build your brand.